Today we are going to be unboxing a Tokyo Treat box. This hasn't been sponsored. It's something we've bought ourselves. There's quite a few companies that do this kind of thing, and they're like mystery boxes full of snacks and sometimes Japanese toys too. So yeah, this is our first ever one. So we are going to give it a go and find out what's inside. And we've waited for 2 days, so...
I know,
yeah,
sat there for ages.
Sat there for 2 days and we haven't opened it. What's inside?
Right, are we going to do this one at a time?
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, sorry, not looking.
We'll take turns one at a time.
Yeah.
You can go first. You go first. I'll try not to peek.
So first we have a little booklet with information about what all the things are. So we can refer to that later. So firstly we have some caramel corn. Some popcorn and it just says caramel, so I don't know if it's but there's a picture of a cake on there, so it might be a specific kind of cake. Maybe that sounds nice.
Is there anything you particularly want? Like a favourite or anything like that?
I do like Pocky and those little koala biscuits, and those matcha cronky are seriously addictive.
Okay, I'd like some sort of matcha thing.
Yeah. Which
I expect we will, as it seems to be popular at the moment.
So it's also sakura season, so there'll probably be some kind of cherry blossom flavoured something or other.
Okay.
Right. Okay. You next.
Right. Yeah.
You're peeking.
Okay. So, rustly one. Oh, hello.
Oh, what's that?
There's loads of them.
Oh. Calbee.
There's a big string of them.
Some good characters on there. I like the little shrimp man. He's quite good.
Little shrimp man. He's pretty decent.
Yeah,
isn't he?
and it looks like they're all shrimp flavoured.
Okay, so it's like a big.
Yeah.
What we're going to do at the end, by the way, is we're going to pick something for each other to try. So maybe if something horrible comes out, Sarah's eating that.
Oh no! I thought it was going to be the other way around.
Well, I don't know. It depends what sort of mood we're in, I guess.
Yeah.
So that okay.
Well, I'm sure they're all nice. They might not be all be nice.
They might not be.
Once I ended up getting salty sweets and bringing those back for all my work colleagues, so that was nice. I didn't realise they were salty. Right. Ooh!
Yay.
It's a bonus and it's matcha Kit Kats.
Excellent.
So I am happy with those. These
Yes.
are delicious. So that's good.
Yeah, I'm pleased with those. Alright. Everything's big, isn't it? Everything feels like it's a big packet of something. I'm trying to find something small.
So we did pay more for the premium box.
Did we?
Well, I say we. I paid more for the premium box.
That is something smaller. And it's oh, he's good.
Ooh. That looks like it could be a bit like Black Thunder. It's a similar packaging.
No, it's not. Why did you
Is
say
it
that?
not? I think the chocolate looks similar to these Black Thunder bars that I'm a fan of.
But I like the little superhero cat.
Yeah, he looks a little bit like Tom from Tom and Jerry. Like a Japanese version of Tom. He does. It's like a superhero Tom.
Well, he's grey and white, I guess.